Ito yung general waiver na sinasabi ko na hinihimo ko yung aking mga kasamang mga kandidato sa pagkapangulo na pirmahan namin. Ano nakalagay dito? We, the undersigned candidates for President of the Philippines, hereby authorize the Anti-Money Laundering Council or its duly authorized representatives to open and check all bank accounts under my name, under my spouse's name, my children's name, and my children's name to ensure full transparency in this election process. We, the undersigned candidates for President of the Philippines, also voluntarily submit ourselves to a lifestyle and government service performance check in accordance with law. Meron ako napirmahan at meron ako hindi napirmahan dahil sa hindi nagkaroon ng pagkakataon.
Pirmahan na.
Tatanong ko muna doon sa